Hi there, my name's Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're looking at a new product range today from Sony. Two models in the range, the KDL52NX803 and the KDL52NX803. The model we're showing here is the 52-inch version, but it's the same specification on both models. To run through some of the basic specification for you, first of all, they are part of Sony's network series. So you've got wireless internet built into the TV. However, you have got Ethernet ports on the back, so if you want to connect it, hardwire it, you can do so as well. And in a few moments, we'll spin the TV around and have a look at some of the sockets on the rear. So they are part of Sony's network range. You've got wireless internet built into the TV. They are full HD, so they'll cope with 720p, 1080i and 1080p resolution. They have an extremely high contrast level as well. They are edge LED, so they are slim panels. With them being edge LED, you get a very good contrast level. The contrast ratio is in excess of 2 million to 1 contrast. So you're getting a very good black level, so great depth of field, good natural colour palette and good detail in the darker areas of the screen as well. They're also 200 Hz scanning. Now if you take a traditional standard TV scans at 50 Hz, meaning there's 50 pictures per second making up your image, these are 200 Hz scanning. So if you're looking at sport, like we've got tennis on here at the moment, it's going to cope with extreme fast movement really well. You're going to get no delay, sort of blur or drag in that image. They've also got Freeview HD tuners built into them. So you just connect this TV up to your standard TV aerial system and you will get BBC, ITV and Channel 4 HD just through your standard TV aerial system without the need of cable or a satellite system. That's as long as they are broadcasting this service in your area at the moment. They are bringing up this service throughout the UK between now and 2012. So what we'll do, we'll spin the set round first of all. We'll have a look at some of the sockets on the rear of the TV before we get into the menu system on the set itself. So it's slightly awkward to show you the rear sockets on the back of this panel because they're all recessed, which is a great plus point though if you want to wall mount the TV, because you've no sort of sockets surface mounted on the back. What we've got here is the Ethernet port just at the top here, which is recessed here. You've got a HDMI and a HDMI just underneath there as well, so two HDMI sockets on the back of the set. One SCART socket. Down from there you've got optical out, so if you want to feed the sound digitally out to the TV through an external amplifier, you can take the sound out of the TV through the optical socket. And then you've got your coaxial aerial connection here. As I said, it's got Freeview HD built into it, so your aerial socket just goes into the back of the TV there. Just changing the angle of view on the back of the TV to show you the main socket. It's the figure 8 main socket, which is also recessed just here as well. And finally your wall bracket connections on the back of the TV. These points just here, and that spacing is 300mm by 300mm. Okay, so here we have the side-on view of the sockets. We've got component down here, which is the red, green, blue connection with the red and white audio input just underneath. We've got the headphone socket just above those. You've got your cam slot on there as well if you want any pay-per-view channels through the TV. As we move up from there, you've got another two HDMI sockets, so you've got 4 in total, 2 on the back and 2 on the side. We've then got a PC input just here as well, with the audio input for the PC just here as well. And finally, just above that there, we've also got a USB. So plenty of sockets to go at. We'll now spin the TV around and have a look at some of the features on the TV set itself. So let's have a look at some of the menus on the TV. With the Sony remote control, you have a blue button that says Home. This is your menu button. If we press this, it'll put us onto the Sony crossbar menu system, which will come on the screen now. And we've got up, down, right and left on the keypad here. Now, as I said, this TV has wireless internet connectivity built into the set itself. So you can get catch-up TV through here, through things like BBC iPlayer. You just scan over to the left and we'll see the menu change over. And there we go, the first one up there is BBC iPlayer, but you've got 5 on demand, you've got Love Film, various different internet sites to jump onto. You've also got YouTube there as well. And if you click onto any of these, we just press OK in the centre of the remote control. It will now access the YouTube site. It's just coming on now, it's just loading up. When you're on YouTube, you can go through sort of favourite videos, clips that are on there already. You can do general searches. So if you want to do a search, we just jog down to search, press OK. We want to do a new search, so press OK again. And then we can go through the full alphabet, and you can basically just jog down into there and start to put in whatever it is that you want to search for. You just go through the alphabet and just punch in the letters, and it will search for that video clip or whatever it is that you're looking to find on there. If we just come out of there for a moment. We're just pressing return on the remote control to come back out of that particular menu, and we'll just have a look at what else is available on there for you. So we've got YouTube on there as well. There's also Blip TV, best shows of the web. So Daily Motion as well, yet again other video clips, TV channels that you can get onto there also. So as I said, you've got a lot of internet facilities through the TV itself. There's absolutely loads of stuff on there for you to go through. So if we come out of there for a moment, and we'll go into some of the settings on the TV. This TV, as I said, is 200 Hz scanning. It's got a very good contrast level. If you want to adjust anything on the picture side of it, if we go into the display menu, and then picture, just press OK. You've then got full adjustments for things like the backlight, contrast, brightness and colour, and you just highlight the one you want to adjust, press OK on the remote control. The contrast there is on maximum, that's too high, so we'll just drop the contrast down on there a little bit, but you can tweak the picture up to however you want it. You've also got, if we just come out of there for a second, back into the picture settings, and if we go into the screen menu, yet again you've got different options for altering the format of the screen to wide and zoom. You can zoom in on the image as well to make it larger on screen. So there's lots of different adjustments you can make to the image itself. If we come out of that now, what we'll do, we'll drop down into the sound menu. We'll just have a look at some of the audio settings on there for you as well. So there we go into the sound menu, and yet again when you're in the audio menu, you will have the usual adjustments on there for things like bass and treble. But you've also got a surround facility built into this TV. At the moment, surround sound's off. If we just press OK on there, we can actually go into that, and we can get into a surround sound mode, which will force the sound out and around you as well. So you've got a very good sound system built into this TV. On this set, on the side of the TV, you had things like a USB, so you can plug a memory stick into here. You could have your photographs, things like Bravia images on the TV. You could use it as like a photo frame. The actual screen itself runs right up to the edge of the picture. There's no sort of external frame on here. It does come on a swivel base as well. If we just press OK, that will access the photographs that are stored on this TV already. But you can send photographs to this set either through things like the USB. I said it's wireless technology built in, or you can hardwire it through the Ethernet port on the back, so you could send those images through any stored device that you may have linked to your PC system. But an excellent TV for picture, sound quality, internet built into it as well. There's a lot more video clips on our website, not only with this TV, but a range of sets from various manufacturers. So if you want to see other video clips, jump onto our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, or go into one of our stores, either in Bolton or Leeds. You'll always find me generally at the Bolton store. Please give me a call on 01204 861 861 if you'd like any more details. Thank you.